Form 2, End of Term, End of Year Revision Worksheet, Section 3, Inequalities. Number 7. So they would like you to solve the following inequalities. So the one thing you have to remember with inequalities is that if you divide or minus by a negative number, you need to change the direction of the sign. So to be able to solve the first one, part 1, we will divide both sides by -3. Because we are dividing by a negative, we must remember to change the direction of the sign. So our answer will be x is more than or equal to -2. Part 2, we would -8 from both sides, and we'll get that x is more than 2. Number 8, they would like us to solve the following inequality. So we have -2x plus 10 is more than or equal to 16. We would -10 from both sides, and we'll get that -2x is more than or equal to 6. We divide both sides by -2, and because we're dividing by a negative, we have to remember to change the direction of the sign. So we'll get that x is less than or equal to 3. Number 9. So they want us to solve the inequality 3 by p minus 2 is more than or equal to 6. So we use the distributive law and we expand the brackets. So we get 3p minus 6 is more than or equal to 6. We add 6 to both sides and we'll get that 3p is more than or equal to 12. And we divide both sides by 3. So we get that p is more than or equal to 4. Number 10, we want x is more than or equal to 3. Since it's more than or equal to and we want to represent it on the number line, we put a solid circle over 3 and the arrow will point the direction of the inequality sign. We want x is less than -1. So since it's less than, we put an open circle and we put the arrow pointing in the direction of the inequality sign. Number 11. We want to graph the compound inequality. So we see that this is more than or equal to. So we will put a solid circle. We see that this one is just less than. So we'll put an open circle. And we know that x is between those two values. So we'll connect the two. And this brings us to the end of Section 3, Inequalities.